Good morning, children. Yes, I welcome you all the cadets. Very good morning. Today, we are going to discuss about the topics. Since you are going to write the half-yearly examinations. Half-yearly examinations commences from 2nd November onwards. 2nd November. So, children, I will give you the syllabus for your half-yearly examinations. For 8th class, write down. Half-yearly examination 2020 is going to commence starting from 2nd November. Children, remember this. Already the timetable has displayed in the concerned groups, in concerned class teachers. All the class teachers has put this message in the concerned section. Suppose I am a class teacher of 8th standard, I have put my subject syllabus in all the 3 sections, 8A, 8B and 8C. So therefore, those who are having the facilities of mobile, still please collect the information from your friends. Clear? Now, so far in our subject, Geography class 8. Class 8 subject Geography. Class 8 Geography. We have discussed all the topics. So far our syllabus is over. So we have discussed chapter number 1, that is starting from resources. The last topic is the human resources. So we have total 6 topics, children. So all the 6 topics we have discussed till now. So all the 6 topics we have discussed. So now, since the examination is coming, so for sake of the examination, I will give all the topics. So you have to prepare all these 6 topics. What are the 6 topics? Half-yearly examination 2020. Syllabus for geography. Syllabus for geography. So 1 to 6 chapters. 1 to 6 chapters. So you have to prepare for all the topics. What are the topics, children? Yes, number 1. Number 1 is resources. Number 1 is resources. As you know, number 1 is resources. Number 2 is land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. Second topic is land, soil, water, natural resources and wildlife. Natural resources and wildlife resources. That is number 2, second topic. Third topic is minerals and power resources. Minerals, M-E-R-A, minerals and power resources, R-E-S-O-U-R-C-S. Minerals and power resources. And children, fourth topic is, anybody can tell you? Anybody remember? Anybody can remember which is the fourth topic? Yes, that is agriculture. Fourth one is agriculture. Fourth one is agriculture. And fifth topic is industries. Fifth topic is industries. INDUSTRIES, industries. And sixth one is last, that is human resources. So all these topics is related to resources. So all these 6 topics will be there for your half-yearly examination. Already I have put in the WhatsApp. Already as a subject teacher I have put in all the 3 sections. Once again in the class I have been telling you, please take down, go to the mobile, go to the WhatsApp and prepare for the examinations. So the syllabus for half-yearly examinations in geography, that means in social studies, geography and history. So here geography. So here geography we consider all the 6 topics. 1 to 6 topics. 1 to 6 topics. The first one is resources. Chapter number 1 is resources. Chapter number 2 is land, soil, water, natural resources and wildlife resources. Third topic is minerals and power resources. Minerals and power resources. Fourth topic is agriculture. Fifth one is industries. And last topic is, that is human resources. Human resources. So all these are 6 topics. That is 1 to 6 topics. Then you can ask children about the model paper quiz. 6 topics. Now here, you know, as your social studies paper half-yearly, your total marks 80. Total marks will be 80 marks. Out of 80, okay, 48 marks for history and 32 marks for geography. So 10, 7 plus 1, 8 marks. The total is 80. So it is 32 marks. So last test I was written for 16 marks. Okay? For 40 marks. So here 40 marks, 16. Okay? So 20 more marks for history. 24 plus 16, 40. So here it is 80 marks. 16 plus 16, 32. So 48 marks for history. So 48 plus 32, 80 marks. This is for your marks. Maximum marks in social science. So history for 48 marks and geography for 32 marks. So here, when you take about geography here, there are 2 types of questions here, geography. Number 1 is pick the correct answers. Okay, we write down model paper. If you want, right? So all these chapters, chapter wise, you prepare for. Number 1 is pick the correct answers. Number 2 is match the following, and followed by question answers. There are 3 types of questions are there. But I will give you, for the examination sake, I will give you only 2 types of questions. Number 1 is pick the correct answers, and second one is answer the following questions. Clear? With this, we will stop. Next class will continue. Okay, if you want, write down model paper. Model paper for geography. Maximum marks 32. Number 1, pick the correct answers. Pick the correct answers. There will be a 10 into 1, 10 marks. Number 2 is, so here first one is 10%, second one is 5%, 5 3s are 15. So, okay, answer the following questions. So 18 plus 10, 18 plus 10, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Okay. Answer the following questions. 6%, 6 into 3, 18 marks. Each question carries 3 marks. And third one is diagram. Draw a diagram. Here 4 marks. Will be 1 into 4 is equal to 4. So 10, 18, 18 plus 10, 28, 28 plus 4, 28, 30, 32. So total 32 marks. So grand total is 32. This is your model. This is how you can prepare. So you have to prepare pick the correct answers and question answers for all the topics and diagrams. You go as per the curriculum, chapter wise, soil formation, okay, layers of atmosphere, structure of the earth. So there are various diagrams which all come across according to your syllabus. You prepare for all the diagrams. Clear? So there will be one diagram. So the diagram carries 4 marks. Questions, there will be 6 questions. Each question carries 3 marks. So 6 into 3, 18 marks. So 18 plus 4, 22. 22 plus, pick the correct answers here, will be a 10. There will be a 10 into 1, 10 marks. So 22 plus 10, total 32 marks. So this is for 32 marks for geography class 8. Is it clear? So accordingly, we can prepare for your examinations. Clear?